is crazy. The stuff I find on TikTok stuff. But where was this when I was like 8 years old, bruh? The struggle was real for me when they had to do my hair. I was tender-headed as hell. Hell no. I'm like, God damn, can you not pull on my shit so hard? But y'all, check it out. Dry.
And it's on sale.
Real fast, like. The shrinkage is real. But yeah. It works. It works. And it doesn't matter what hair type you have. It's gonna dry that hair. Like, immediately. Like, this thing is legit, y'all. Like I said, they have it in yellow and pink.